President Bola Tinubu recently presented the 2024 appropriation bill themed the budget of renewed hope to the joint section of the National Assembly. Reacting to the proposed budget, Nigerians say the bill, which seeks, among other things, improving economic growth, a better investment environment, enhancing human capital development, as well as poverty reduction and greater access to social security, will achieve its purpose if there is paradigm shift by actors.
Generally speaking, for me, I think the budget presented looks very ambitious, and if the government can walk the talk, if they are sincere with implementing the budgeted items, then we will say we are on the right path.
The budget will be able to revive the economy, look at to reduce level of poverty, to create employment, and to fight insecurity. These are the major things that he has raised, and when you look at it, these are the major key things that the economy needs at this point in time. That's why I see it as a budget of economic recovery.
Poverty rate in Nigeria is alarming. More than 85% of Nigerians are below poverty line now. So now, thinking of this budget, we have to look at indices, things that we can do, I think in terms of government, that government should do that we actually have positive impact on the lives of the common Nigerians. That is the only thing that government can do at this point in time. Immediately the budget is passed, let government swing into action.
To improve effectiveness of the budget performance, stakeholders advised the federal government to focus on maintaining value for each expenses.
One thing is to budget, another thing is implementation and monitoring. There should be implementation and monitoring, evaluation of the budget.
What we have witnessed over the years is that a lot of times budgets just remain in the cold print. They are presented, they look very lofty, very ideal, but the sincerity usually is not there. But we want to hope that this time around, with this new government, we will have a different experience.
The outgoing year, this 2023 budget, who has given us a kind of performance review analysis? Come and give us the budget performance index of this this outgoing budget, so that we can know where we are, how we are faring, where we are, and where we are going.
The respondents, however, called on the National Assembly to ensure proper implementation of the budget through regular oversight function, as well as create feedback mechanism among the legislature, the executives, and the masses. In Ijebu Ode, Anthony Gandonu, NTA News.